have books also from Barnes & Noble, but from a different trip, so they're in a bag this time, which is why it will be very noisy. Actually, first one I'll show you is this comic book, this Star Wars comic book called Attack of the Huts, Star Wars The High Republic. This was a free copy of this comic that was at a comic store by where the Barnes & Noble was, so I picked this up because I thought it was cool and I won't turn down something that's free. Because why would I do that? So the first book we have is Some Desperate Glory by Emily Tesh. This is a science fiction book, I believe. Actually, I know it's a science fiction book, but it's basically the reason I picked this up is because it's quoted by V. Schwab and Tamsin Murr. Both are authors that I really, really like. I mean, obviously, I like V. Schwab. So yeah, the cover is also really cool, so I decided to pick this up. I also have The Mountain in the Sea by Ray Naylor. This just seemed really cool. It is a science fiction. Also, look at these edges. I know it's printed that way, but it like looks really cool. So basically, it's about these octopuses that become sentient and are studied, but they're not. It's like, are they happy about being studied? Then I also have The Water Outlaws by S.L. Huang. This is like I think it's Chinese. Like Chinese talking about like fighting, and it just sounded interesting, and I don't typically read a lot of this type of fiction, so I thought I'd pick it up.